Hi everyone, we are members of the network support group. My name is Martel Edwards.
My name is Daniel Bowen.
My name is Winston Marshall.
My name is Tisan Porter.
Davinnci Bowen.
My name is Fagan.
My name is Antwan Francis.
And we have conducted our Cluster 11 practical number 2. Good afternoon. Today I'll be resolving an issue where a colleague from the marketing department has reported that his PC is working slowly, and hence I'm here to see what the issue might be and bring about a resolve. So first, I'll be using Task Manager to check to see what applications might be running at the moment. And we're seeing that over 70% of, on average, of the CPU is being used. And we're seeing multiple instances of Chrome open. Let's check to see what's going on here at Chrome. So this is just one tab open. This is just a single tab as well. Let's check another instance. Here we go. Multiple tabs open, and this is a potential reason for the slow operating of the system. So we'll close the browser. So now that we've closed the browser, we're going to also, for any additional app that's open, close them as well. Close all. Task Manager again. So we're down significantly, CPU usage down to average 20% usage. As part of the result, I would recommend to my colleague to have if there is an additional slot for memory, that's an additional memory slot be installed.
Creating how to placing a memory chip, RAM memory chip.
The port.
As you can see, one RAM is already installed. We're gonna install another one.
We have successfully resolved the issue with the browser, with the computer being slow. CPU usage is down to 1 or 2% average after installing the new RAM. So we are successfully saying that the fix was a success.
An employee from the marketing department reports that their computer files are not saved correctly. So we're going to download the app and see what's really the problem when it's done. DirectX, so it's supposed to be okay. So it's not in downloads, it's not in documents, it's in music. So okay, so it's in music, so the default location is set for music, so we're going to change it to downloads. So to go to settings in Chrome, got to click on downloads, and as you can see it says for music. Got to change it to downloads. So anything that we download, it's supposed to show here. So let's try it again. So download again. So it's supposed to be in downloads now. Okay, so to solve this issue, the downloads location was set on music and we changed it to downloads, so the issue is solved.
Today, ladies and gentlemen, our new employees are complaining about internet connection, slow internet speed, and connect to other devices over the internet. This little video is to help demonstrate how to fix certain problems. Now we're starting off with Daniel Brown showing you on the computer how to deal with that problem.
Good afternoon, my name is Daniel Brown, and today I will be demonstrating a video. So as you can see on the device, it's not connected to no internet. It has no internet access, so we would have to go and check the command prompt to see if there's anything wrong with the router. So we're going to start with typing in the ipconfig command to get the IP address, subnet address, and the default gateway, as you can see right here. After that, you can see everything is fully checked and active. Connected. We're gonna go try the ping www.google.com to test the Google ping, and then it will load. So far that it failed, so that means there's a problem with the Google server ping. So that probably be one of the problems why we're not getting any internet. So before that, we will go over to control panel, device manager, and check the drivers if all of the drivers are up to date. So we're going to search automatically for drivers. Then you'll see right here that you already have the best driver installed. So the driver is up to date. Or you can check the properties. Drivers, and you will see the driver date and the version of driver you're using. So all of the drivers is up to date. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to try check the physical aspect of the computer to see if it's the problem.
Now we're on to the physical part once again. Now we're on to the physical part So what you can do with the router right here is to restart the router. You have two options. The one, plug it around the back, or two, the small button right here, stick a pin in it and restart the router. As you can see, it's a reset. Right there to reset the router. So even if you restart the router and you still having internet problems, what you can do is to check the connection behind the CPU system. our system unit. As you can see, internet connection is plugged in, so you just push it in. You have to for a click, and the light will come up to show you that the internet is show you that the connection is perfectly in. Click on the system, waiting for the connection to come up. And you can see there is no internet access on the computer, although Microsoft Edge. And it's not working. And that's a demonstration on how to troubleshoot internet access on a computer.
Hello. Our company has hired new employees, and me and my colleague have been tasked with setting up their network accounts so that they can get the permission to use the network resources. What is a network account? A network account is a user account that allows individuals to access the resources remotely of a network rather than using one computer. Some key components are remote access, security, and user profiles. With that being said, I will now show you a video of my colleague creating the user profiles. The colleague will create the account for the employees. Computer management, we go there first.
And we'll be going to local users and groups. Once we're there, we'll be clicking on the users tab. And then
create a new user.
And just add a user name. And for this will be a temporary password for the user, because and whenever they start to use the account, they will be asked to change the password. So let's create an account, exit. So here is the account, and so now we'll be adding the permission. So go to properties, and now member of, and let's add the permissions. Antwan and sign now.
So now, the 4 permissions, I will be listing them when my colleague finds them and explaining them. Remote desktop users. Now, the remote desktop user, these users are allowed to connect to a computer or server remotely using remote desktop protocol, otherwise known as RDP. It enables users to log into systems over a network or the internet as if they were physically present in the machine. This is often used for remote work or troubleshooting. The next one is remote management users. Now what this is, these users can manage systems remotely, typically with elevated permissions. They can perform administrative tasks such as monitoring performance, installing software, and managing system settings. This role is essential for IT administrators who manage systems across multiple locations. Now, the next one, users. Now this one is quite simple. This is the standard account type in a network or computer system. User can log in, run applications, and access files based on the permissions granted to them. They typically don't have administrative privileges to modify system settings or manage other user accounts. Now, the last one, backup operators. Backup operators have special permissions to back up a file regardless of their access rights to those files. They can manage backup operations without requiring full administrative rights, allowing for secure backup and restoration processes or servers or systems.
Alright. For this video, we'll be creating one account, but for the several accounts, we'll be doing the same thing for the several accounts. So now we're going to apply and press OK. And once we do that, we'll be checking the account. So you can press Windows R and type in Control and OK. We turn on the control panel, go to user accounts, and once we're there, then we'll go to manage another account, or we see the rest of the accounts listed. Right here, as you can see, one account, the account we just created, Bowen, is listed here.
And as you have just seen, we have demonstrated a video of how we created a network account for individuals to access the company's resources.